After arriving in Albia, we headed towards our destination, Lotsarai. In fact, this is where we have chosen to have our base camp. From the ferry terminal, it will take 2 hours and a half to get there. There are 2 of us, but the apartment can easily accommodate 4 people as it has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. We cannot deny that the large patio for outdoor dining, the private parking, and the barbecue available to guests were decisive for our choice.
Oh.
Furthermore, the villa is literally the last house built along the road that leads to the beach. For a week, it cost us 575 euros. From our house, the road practically continues and ends at the beach after a few hundred meters. There we find a restaurant called Laragasta and a kiosk equipped as a bar, immersed in the pine forest facing the sea. The beach, it is called Roses Beach and is located practically in front of the Algiastra Island. After the beach, we decide to try the restaurant. The waiting times are quite long, but the value for money is, in our opinion, excellent. Our first day ends like this. Tomorrow we will go to Arbitax to rent a dinghy.